Today I am showing one program. The purpose of that program is to prepare a Python program to calculate result of a student where user will input 5 subjects mark and get result as per the following condition. Condition is what? 0 to less than 40 means fail, greater than 40 and less than 60 then good, more than and equal to 60 and less than 75 means better, greater than equal to 75 to 80 best, and greater than equal to 80 then excellent. Now as per this situation I am going to prepare one Python program. So very first step, we have to input data, and for that I am writing here. For example, I start this program at this point. This sprite it is not required, so I am deleting. Now first of all I will write here English, it is one kind of subject, integer input, enter marks of English. Then Hindi, integer input, enter marks of Hindi. Same way math, integer input, enter marks of maths. Then science, integer input, enter marks of science. And here I am writing SST equal to integer input, enter marks of social science. Now what happened? In very first step, as we are doing in all programs, we are getting data, we are getting input. Now second step is for processing. So first of all what I am doing here, total of these marks, English plus Hindi plus math plus science plus SST as social science, okay. And then what I am doing, I am getting percentage equal to total divided by 500, as I am assuming here each paper having 100 marks, total 5 papers are there, so this is percentage. After that, if percentage greater than 0 and percentage less than 45, then result equal to fail. Else if percentage greater than equal to 40 and percentage less than as we have given less than 60, then result equal to good, and then else if percentage greater than equal to 60 and percentage less than it is here less than 75, then result equal to better. Else if again percentage greater than equal to 75 and percentage less than 80, then result equal to best. Else result equal to excellent. And now see, in this section we have input data. After that, this section which is engaged for processing. So this is processing part and this is data part, data input part. Now we need last portion of this program, that is known as output. Print total marks equal to total. Print percentage is equal to PR. Print result is result. Now this is for input, as I told you, this is for processing and this is for output. Here also the same condition we can apply without else even, but as a good programmer we have to apply else if, because it will run faster than simple if. Reason is behind that, simple if will check all the conditions whatever you have given, whatever the programmer given. Instead of that, else if will check it will come out whenever very first condition is true. So whenever it is whenever it is matching with any true condition, after that remaining condition it will not check. Means the program execution will be faster. Although for the one data or one candidate it is not making much difference, but it is the system for writing code. So hope first we will check it, is it running properly or not. So just let me execute this program. Yes, it is asking for the marks. Suppose I am giving here 50, then 60, then 70, then 80, then 45. Now see, it is showing a result, total marks 305 and percentage 61, and showing result better. Now assume that once more I am checking data with the higher percentage. What happened? Why it is? Oh, it is showing error into this program. What is error? Error is uh, okay. I think it is whenever I did entry, that time it's happened something wrong. Once more, let me check. $98. 87. What happened? 87 and 90. See, it is showing result excellent. So this is our program, and we can run if condition as per this. So I hope everyone can understand the use of this program. Now I am giving here comment, so if new user is there, he or she can understand what is the use of this, what is the purpose of this program. So like this is the program which is related to the generate result